Live Launch is a training workshop to actually assist you as an accounting professional, actually make sure that you're growing a business that you can be proud of. And one of the things that we're going to emphasize amongst these 5 areas over the 2-day workshop is understanding the accounting services that you need to be providing. It's basically emphasizing what things that you can be doing to offer to first and foremost stand out from your competition and have your potential clients realize that you offer so much more than the traditional accounting service. The second thing is to obviously give you tools and resources to provide those services competently and confidently. One of the things that then will determine whether or not you're getting paid what you're worth is if you're offering value added services to ensure that you're not just being paid for the commoditized accounting services that you may be doing, but it allows you to then actually offer more important resources and tools for your clients to then see value in the services that you're offering to further help them as business owners make more informed business decisions. This is actually regarding a number of things such as getting paid what you're worth, offering quality accounting services, but then ultimately retaining the clients longer so as to ensure that you have a proper relationship with them so that they can see value in what you're providing, and then ultimately giving referrals to you to refer you on to other people, because birds of a feather flock together. Those business owners know others that can benefit from your services, and we encourage you to see what it is you need to be doing in your business to be the premier accounting firm in your area. Attend this workshop, this 2-day event for you to actually work on your business and get out of the rat race that you're in as you're running your business, just working day in, day out on the various things that become the fires that you need to address. Step aside for a moment, work on your business. Understand that with Universal, you can be in business for yourself, but not by yourself, because the coaching, training, resources, and support that we provide are there to ensure that you're able to run your business effectively. Follow this turnkey process that we've been using with accounting professionals since 1979 to ensure that you're literally in business offering the premier accounting services and getting paid what you are worth. I invite you to attend this 2-day workshop. Register now, attend, and be there with me. I'd love to meet you, find out more about you, and see what it is we can do to ensure that you have the business that you can be proud of and obviously get paid what you're worth. Take care, enjoy yourselves, and I look forward to seeing you there. Bye-bye.